So we are about to go feed and sled in the snow on this very cold morning. This is Rosie. Yesterday afternoon, to get ready for the storm, we moved all the goats under the shelter because they are very pregnant. We moved in our baby doll sheep, who are featured in our petting zoo here at the farm. So they're all nice and cozy here under the shelter this morning. We're having to bust out the water troughs this morning, and we found another water heater last night. So we're gonna stick that one in this so that the ponies' water stays thawed out good today, and we don't have to bust ice again anymore. Hopefully we'll get through the rest of the storm. Now we're heading out to check on the chickens and the sheep. Make sure everything has plenty of water, plenty of food for the rest of the day. They're all happy and warm, tucked in their house still. They don't really want to come out. Here's one girl that thought about coming out in the snow. Sheep girls. The sheep shelter is at the far end of this pasture. That's where their hay and everything is. It looks like they all fared well through the night. Now it is the horse's turn. This is Sweet Ava. She's our oldest girl. She does a great job here at the farm. Then we have Butterball Fireball. She was named by the boys, obviously. This is April. She's our stocky girl. She feels really good this morning. And then this Sweet Memory here is Ava's baby. She is almost 3 years old, and she loves the snow. All these girls, they have a shelter right over there they could stand under. Obviously, they chose not to. They seem to like the snow just as much as the kids do. Here come the ponies, the little specks, racing all the way on their little legs up to the feeders. Diesel, Buddy, and Star on this side. Kobe and Thomas are bringing it up on this side.